everyone, and welcome back to the channel once again. Today we continue with our Tamiya Mercedes Unimog, and in this video I'll show you my personal upgrade. This is what I can do. Perhaps you can do better, but perhaps you don't know how to do, and now I will explain you how to. Upgrades are this is a shaft for the front accessories, snow plug, so. The lamp, working lamp, wipers, aluminium wipers. This is aluminium, not more a decal. Cover, and here under we have all the wiring and electrics. This was included in the kit, very lucky, with 2 LEDs, 4 LEDs, and this is the switch that I have installed in this aluminium tray, opened. This becomes very hot. Perhaps this aluminium helps to refresh it. These are my options, and now I show you in a slideshow how did I do. Comments, like and subscribe. Thank you. After a quite long work, I have made a side lamp kit. Side lamp means that I put it here. So we have the lamp with support, 2 screws, and this is to screw the screws. This I will put inside the body. This is to let the cable pass by. Glasses, I made 2, I have to decide, and LED. Here is focus. This LED is insulated with glue. This transparent glue. This is to insulate the wires. I need the LED came out at 90 degrees because it has to stay right there on the bottom of the lamp. Next step, paint, black, aluminium, and this that makes chrome here inside. When paint is dried, go to the body, make the holes, and mount everything. Before, check if the LED. Before do all this work, I have to check if the LED works or not. I hope yes. I recommend you this one. Buy this. You use a lot of time. So, keep on going. thought that the front of the vehicle was necessary, the transmission for the front tools you can mount for snow and so on. So I've decided to make something stylish, not precise. I invented, and I thought that this one was a good solution. Always starting from something that I found anywhere, everywhere, and I collect. You never know, one day you can use it, and today it was a term of this alu needle. This was an alu needle. I show you. Have you seen? What do you think? Is it helpful? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments. By now I can just tell you this is working. I'm very happy. And remember, comments, like and subscribe. All the best to you. Up to the next. We will make the chassis. No modification, almost no modification, just on the wheels I've made holes. This is the only one. Bye bye.